Defender 90 HSE. It's a VAT qualifying hardtop, finished in Gondwana Stone. It's done 42,000 miles, full service history, but what a great looking hardtop. Extended wide arches, black pack pod lights, 22s. It also has the very important air suspension on top of the fantastic spec that you get on a HSE. Not only does it look great, it also is at a fantastic price point. Usually when it comes to 90s and HSEs, especially ones that look like this, you're talking tens of thousands of pounds more. So if you are in the market for a Defender 90 hardtop, you're looking for a new commercial purchase, but you have a particular budget you're trying to work towards, but you don't just want a standard, boring looking 90, well, this is your opportunity. I do love Gondwana Stone, especially when someone then partners it with extended black packs and wide arches and pod lights. The pod lights are all fully functional as well, and it is a feature that a lot of our customers like. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps. HSE gives you all sorts of spec. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. The larger media screen. This is a 24 registration. As I said, it's done just over 40,000 miles, but it does have full service history, manufacturer's warranty until next year as well. So great looking car. It then has the history to support it, plus that extra spec as well. Air suspension is an option that sometimes we get quizzed about from people who maybe haven't had a Defender with air before, but the people who've had it swear by it. So if you are looking for something that is going to be used as a commercial, then the air suspension is a very good one. 90, and now you can see it has done 40,000 miles, so you can't shy away from that, but you can see the rear hasn't been used for anywhere near the amount of stuff that it could be. So if you are looking for something which is a crossover from business and personal, then these are why we sell, although those are the reasons why we sell so many of these. Perfect car, Monday to Friday, to and from offices, sites, whatever you might be doing. And then on a weekend or every other day, you get to drive around in a Defender 90, which is arguably, certainly ours here at Acklam anyway, the most popular selling SUV of the last 5 years. Do like the 22s. Good looking wheel, especially when you partner with everything else. It's the look that everyone wants, in a colour you don't see very often, in a spec that you would want, HSE. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, larger media screen. That screen then got introduced as standard later on, but then this one has it, so again, you're not losing out on anything like that. Air suspension, heated seats, cooled seats. ClearSight rear view camera is a good one as well. If you're new to Land Rover, what that basically does is gives you a HD camera straight to your rear view mirror. So again, plenty of tech spec, and you can see even by the driver's seat and where I'm sat here, it's just being used as a car. So someone has used the brain, financially savvy business purchase, gets to drive a Defender that looks like this and has all the financial benefits of a commercial. So fantastic car. If you've been waiting for us to get in a 90 at a particular price point, specifically where this one is, but you want something high spec that looks unique, this is your opportunity. Questions about how you buy it, fund it, part exchanges, and anything that you've got, or any questions in general about this car, just contact me direct on my mobile number at the end of the video, and I look forward to speaking to you.